In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 5 handbags to start your own luxury collection. And I will also mention some tips about starting this collection, luxury bag collection. So I get lots of questions in my YouTube videos, on Instagram, TikTok, etc. on what is a good first luxury handbag, what my opinions on some of the bags for a first luxury handbags. So I will give you in this video my tips and also my top 5 bags that you should start with your own collection. Consider subscribing to this YouTube channel if you like this type of content, luxury bags. I'm a bag lover, so if you are too, you are on the right YouTube channel. So feel free to subscribe and also to like this video. So you want to start your own luxury bag collection and you don't know where to start and you are under budget. So I'm here to help you actually. And here are some little tips first to start this collection under budget. First tip, you should always go pre-loved for a luxury handbag, especially if you are under budget. My first luxury bag was actually a vintage one. It was a pre-loved. I bought it at a vintage fair in Lyon in France. I wanted something super specific because my mom had this bag, the Noé red epi leather, and I wanted exactly the same bag because it was her first handbag. I wanted the same one. It's a red bag, so it was not the best decision ever, but I don't regret my choice. This is my very first one. This is an emotional bag. I will never sell it actually. But consider pre-loved because you have some very good prices first. You have very good quality leather. Some of the quality leather that you had before is no longer exists at some brands, at some maison also, because you have some bags and accessories like model that does not exist anymore in stores. So this is actually a good one and you have amazing prices, obviously. Also, to buy pre-loved, I recommend my own website, bamluxurystore.com. You will find it on the screen and down below in the description. Do not hesitate to go on my website. This is my own small business that I own with my partner in life and partner in business too, Vincent. We do sell luxury pre-loved handbags. It came because we created this company because it was a passion for me. It is still a passion for me. And it started thanks to this YouTube channel, well, the French one and this one in English. I started to sell my own luxury bag collection to renew it a little bit. So each time I sell a bag, usually I buy another one. So it's, I try to go out, I try to stick to the rule, one out, like one in, one out. Well, depends because sometimes it's hard to choose and I don't do it, but usually I try. And this is how it all started actually. So if you want to support us, if you have any question, feel free to ask. I ship worldwide. Okay, second tips that I can give you is try to buy classical colors. Yes, you heard me well. I did not stick to the plan for myself. I bought my first handbag was a red bag. I don't regret it, but at the same time, I do. So it means you should buy classical colors because it's bags that you want to wear anytime and all the time because you don't have a huge collection at first. You will start your own collection. So you need to be able to wear your bag in any condition. And you don't want to see them standing on your shelves doing nothing. You want to get them out actually. Last tip, the third tip, and then we will go to the top 5 handbags that I recommend for starting your own collection. The last tip is buy what you want, what you love, and what you will wear. So if it means buying a luxury handbag, very colorful, go for it. If you are going to wear it, if you are going to love it, to cherish it, then go for it. Who am I to give you any tips anyway? So we are a lot giving you much tips, lots of tips. These are very good tips indeed. But if you don't wear classical colors, it's fine. Just go for the color you love, actually. This is your choice, your decision in final. We are here to advise you, not to tell you, to dictate you and to tell you what to do exactly. But if you want to listen to me, feel free, of course. I try to give you the best advice I can since I do have my own little collection for 12, 13 years now. So I have a little bit of, patience and history behind. Just before giving you the top 5 handbags that I recommend to start your own collection, I want to ask you something. What would be, in your opinion, the best bag to start a luxury handbag collection? Please feel free to answer in the comment. I'd be very curious to know, and I will share the answers probably in a future video. So feel free. Okay, now I'm gonna start talking about the top 5 handbags that I do recommend as you are starting your own bag collection. First one that I will definitely recommend is a tote, like a cabas in French, a tote. You need a tote in your handbag collection. This is a large bag that you can wear every single day. You can wear it to go to work, to go to school, to go to travel, actually, to go to the beach, like as a moby bag. Like you can wear this bag every single day. So personally, I choose a Never Full. I'm going to show you. This is a limited edition one. So I did choose a Never Full, which is, in my opinion, one of the best handbags on the planet. Yes, maybe you're tired, you're sick to see a Never Full, but sorry, it's one of the best tote bag ever. It's going to last in time, actually. It's going to last in time, and you can like put very heavy things inside. It's not gonna damage. I would though recommend it in canvas like monogram, damier, reverse, any other style. I also do recommend another tote that is just here with me, and I do sell it actually on my website. I don't know if it's still available at the time I release this video, but at the moment I film, it is. So this is the On The Go, also a Louis Vuitton one. This is a very good size. This one is with more shape, I would say. And this one, you can also wear it with large handles here. I do recommend also this tote that is a bit bigger. This is a very good one. This one is 2,129 €29 in case someone wants to buy it. I'm not sure it will be still available, but you know, it's also another good like tote that you can buy. So as a tote, I will recommend like something with a material very resistant to time, to water, to life, I would say, completely, and heavy stuff. So yeah, the first one is this bag, and especially if you are under budget, a Never Full, usually you can like find a Never Full between 800, 1,300 euro in this budget. So it's a very, very good handbag. Then second bag that I do recommend in your own collection is a crossbody bag. Yes, a crossbody bag will allow you to have a more mini bag, like a less bigger bag than the tote, for example, and to wear it every single day also, during the day, during the night, because the tote you will not be able to wear it like for a party, to go to a restaurant. Well, you can, but it's not exactly this type of bag that you want. So I would recommend a crossbody bag. Black is the best, I would say, but you choose. It will be like a color, like very timeless, elegant color, black, brown, gray, also taupe, you know. But in the collection that I do have here for now, these are not my bag. These are pre-loved handbags that I do sell. I was not able to film in front of my own collection this time because we are changing some few things at my house, actually. So I do recommend, for example, a little Chanel handbag. This is a crossbody bag that you can wear super easily. This one is black and it fits a phone completely, wallet and everything. So it's actually a perfect everyday bag. You can wear it like during the day, but also during the night. So it's a very chic, timeless, elegant handbag. You also do have other options, guys. So for example, my second handbag was the Alma BB in epi leather, dark blue epi leather, like not navy. So the Alma BB is this one. This one is a limited edition. I know it's very colorful. It's a beautiful one, but I do recommend this one also as the type of bag, not especially like the color for first one. Yeah, and who knows? But you can wear it as a crossbody, but also with the handles. You can remove the strap. I do have this bag in my collection and I'm wearing this one all the time. I do have navy blue, you have different colors, but yeah, this one is amazing. You also have like this type of bag, Nike Saint Laurent, very good, that you can wear, you know, on the shoulder, but also in crossbody. So this is also a very good option. I'm not quite a huge fan of Saint Laurent, but the Nike ones, I actually quite enjoy them. Crossbody bag will allow you to also wear it as a night party bag. So it's actually a very good bag to have in your own collection. And you have different brands, different pricing. You have various things, especially pre-loved. You have lots of options. Also, another bag that I do recommend if you're starting your own collection, it's not an under budget bag. I prefer to let this know. I would recommend a Chanel Classic Flap. Yes, you heard me well. Either it's a vintage one or a more recent one. A vintage one would be more for an under, like for budget, I would say. It's like easier to get than a more recent one because it's so expensive now. But Chanel continue to increase prices. Pre-love market is consistently going up concerning the prices. Like prices are going up all the time. So you should consider like investing in this type of bag. I do recommend it. I do love it. I do have my own, actually. Mine is a bit more recent. It's not the most recent, but it's not a vintage either. I would love to invest also in a vintage one because they are gold plated. Nowadays, bags at Chanel are no longer like gold plated. Almost no brands are doing gold plated anymore, I believe. So, you know, this is a good investment and it's less expensive. And for the color, I would of course advise you a black one because the other colors are not such an investment, well, depending on the color. But if you want to also wear it and then keep it for later, black is a color. Another one, that type of bag that I do recommend, the faux one, is the Kipple. This, or like the travel bag. So you have Kipple, you have the Celine ones, and other brands, but I do recommend the Louis Vuitton Kipple one. This is a timeless travel bag. Like, this is a timeless item. You will keep it forever. My family has some in the closet, and we do wear them all the time. Vincent, my partner, does have it in 60. You have different size, 45, 50, 55, 60, and some other different size, but they're not really Kipple. But anyway, but yeah, so you do have different size. Vincent has a 60. This is the biggest one, and it fits in for the plane, for the cabin bag. So it's perfect, you know, and it's like a smooth bag. You have it without the strap, with the strap. It's huge. You have various color, various canvas. They also do like very limited editions that are insane, and this is a timeless item. Price is over the roof now on the website, but of course in pre-love you have very good price. But you know, this is something that you will keep forever, so this is definitely a good investment. You will keep it for you, for your partner, for your family, who knows, you know, and you will keep it like more than 20, 30, 40 years, you know. And the last one now, the fifth one that I do, type of bag that I do recommend, is a limited edition bag or something super colorful, like very, you know, pop-up. Because you need one bag that will represent you somehow. We all have this classical touch, but we also all kind of like something different. If you have a color in mind that you love, go for it. Find a bag that is this color that will represent you, that you can wear as you want. Even if it's a bag, like I did buy myself one. I'm guilty. I just bought like a few months ago a micro Lady Dior in blue. I don't even wear that much color like this. I was like, I love it. It's like love at first sight, but I don't even know when I'm going to wear this bag actually. And it's micro. My phone don't even fit inside, but I love the bag. And I'm wearing the bag because I love it. And it was kind of a crazy stuff. Like, it was crazy to buy this bag actually. But in the end, I don't regret my choice because I love it. I wear the bag. So go for it. Go for something colorful, limited edition. Like my Neverfull is actually like a Neverfull, a tote, and also a limited edition. That is perfect. You could do this. Like, for example, choose like something very classical, timeless, and add like a touch of limited edition, very colorful, or any other thing. But I definitely do recommend like a crazy bag that you will fall in love. Voila for the tips of the day. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what are your thoughts, if you would add any other bags. I wanted to stop at 5 type of bags, but if you have anything in mind, if you do recommend us any bag of any brand, luxury brands, let us know in the comments. We are always super happy to exchange here, and it can also help other people that start their collection. If you have a collection for a long time, do not hesitate. Also, if you are starting your own collection, don't hesitate to ask questions. I will reply. Maybe other people that are watching this channel will reply to you also. We always try to be good vibe energy. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another one. I will give you like 2 other videos you need to watch. Stay tuned. Bisous.